In today's video, we'll be looking at the basics of integration. There are two types of integration, definite and indefinite. This video looks at definite integrals. This is the integral sign. When numbers are written at the top and bottom of the integration sign, it is a definite integral. When there are no numbers, it is an indefinite integral. The larger number always goes at the top and the smaller number goes at the bottom. The question will tell you the numbers and they can be any numbers. Let's look at the basic rule of integration. When asked to calculate the integral of anything, you add 1 to the power of each term and divide each term by the new power. In this first example, we have been asked to integrate 5x from 0 to 4. The first thing we do is add 1 to the power of x, so x becomes x squared. Then we divide by the new power. The new power is 2, so we divide by 2. Then sub the larger number in, and we are going to subtract the smaller number subbed in. Sub in 4 wherever you see x to get us 5 outside of 4 squared over 2, and subtract 0 subbed in. When you sub 0, you get 5 outside of 0 squared over 2. Put that all on your calculator and you should get an answer of 40. In this next example, we are integrating 5x plus 4 from 0 to 4. Add 1 to the power of each term and divide by that new power. 5x has x to the power of 1, so it becomes 5x squared over 2. 4 has x to the power of 0, so it becomes 4x to the power of 1. Now sub in 4 wherever you see x and subtract 0 subbed in. You should get an answer of 56. In this question, we are integrating 10x squared between 3 and 5. First we add 1 to the power of x, so the new power is 3, and we divide by the new power, so we divide by 3. Then sub 5 in wherever you see x and subtract when 3 is subbed in. You get an answer of 326.67 on the calculator. To integrate this equation, we need to add 1 to every power and divide by the new power. For example, the first term is 5x cubed, so it becomes 5x to the power of 4 divided by 4. You do the same thing for the rest of the terms. Then sub 7 into the equation and subtract -1 subbed in. Put that all on the calculator. You should get 4058.67.